Now it's time to look at the String.exists function. And what this allows us to do is to check each character of a string compared to a specific criteria. And if one of these characters fulfills that criteria, then we would return true. So to see how this works, let's do a quick test. Let input be, and we will say hello world. Okay. Oh, I need to put that in quotations, of course. There we go. What we would say then is let has, well, R, let's say, has R, like that. We're going to take this input string and we're going to send it to string.exists, like that. And again, like many string functions, this one takes a function as input parameter. It is applied to the character that we're going to call C in this case. So that would be each character of the string that we send in. And we would simply say C equals R, like that. So what we're checking for is if any of these is the same as the character R. If it is, then we would return true. If not, then we will return false. And only one of these characters needs to be true in order for it to return true. So print fn, and this time what we're printing is a Boolean, like so, and has R. There we go. Okay, if I execute this, we would expect in this case that we will see yes, because we have an R in hello world. We could prepare another string, so let input 2 be ABC, something like that. If I execute that, so we can see that the first execution now came out to be true. If I apply this to input 2 here instead, we can see what we get. Now, obviously, we could do this in a better way. So we could define a new function that has this as a sub function of it, and where we could just pass whatever parameter we want. Now we simply sort of had this very explicitly in the code that we need to take one of these strings and put it in here within this piping. You could do it more clean, but just for the sake of illustration, we can see that the output here is false now. So the string.exists function compares each character of the string to some set of criteria, either one or many, and if for one of these characters it comes out to be true, then we will also return true. Otherwise, we return false.